Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am unboxing and reviewing a spinner from 313 Inc. It is the Bulari version 2 with treadle buttons. So let's check it out. Whoop. It's pretty easy to open. Yep. This paper is invoice. This paper is thank you for your order. We hope you will have as much fun with your purchase as we had creating it. Blah, 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 blah. We want you to have the best shopping experience. If for any reason you are not completely satisfied, let us know and give us the opportunity to make it right. Email us at here is the information. Happy spinning. Oh, there's more information. Bearing replacement. Huh. Yeah. So I guess for these bearings, you just literally just put them in with your fingers. Okay. Wow, that looks cool. And this is the O-ring, I guess? Wow, it's heavy. So here it is. It is certainly distressed looking. But damn, it looks cool. It's like a rainbow of colors. So cool. Starting to warp. It's like warping blue and orange. Cool, cool, cool. I love these buttons too. It's like blue buttons. This is comfortable. Just to throw. Hold on 1 second. I'm getting a phone call. I missed it. It's just so cool. Okay, focus. 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 Hello. 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 My camera would not focus. Man, this is just so cool looking. It's very industrial. Let's get the weight of this thing. Heavy guy. Just gorgeous. Damn. 135.5. Is that my heaviest spinner now? My tungsten one is... No. Okay, so my tungsten one is 147. So it's close. $135.5. Let's get some more stats. It's about 50 millimeters long. It's cool. And about 29.8. No. The wings of it are about 30.1 millimeters wide by 14. But the buttons are about 18.5. And the buttons themselves oh, this was made in July, the 1st of July. Wait a minute. This is number 86. So the body was made 9/12, but the buttons were made July 1st. The buttons are 6.3 thick. They are about 24.5. in diameter. I love that they engrave it and like say when it was made and which like what number the spinner is, because I love knowing which number it is. The spinner's awesome. This is so cool. I'm like really excited about it. It's so like unique. It's so chonky. So cool. Check out the warp. Warp, 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 warp. And even though it's heavy, it doesn't really feel that heavy. Like, it feels heavy, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It's a very comfortable weight. And it's fun to throw. This thing, like, it goes. So what do you guys think? I got this for like $130. Do you guys have any spinners from 313 Inc? And if you do, what spinner do you have? Because I can look it up on their website. And do you like this one? Do you like this like distressed look? Because I'm in love with it. I think it's super cool. It's like a matte oil slick. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I might be buying more spinners from them in the future. This is like really high quality. This is my first from them. And yeah, damn, I'm impressed. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you guys have one? Are you gonna get one? What? I just blanked. I'm mesmerized. Oh yeah, do you guys buy multiple buttons from them if you guys have a spinner from them? Do you guys buy multiple buttons from them? Because I noticed that there are like a shit ton of buttons, and I'm wondering if I should buy more buttons from them. Although this is like super, super comfortable. So yeah. Alright, let me know in the comments, guys. Let's have a conversation. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like, please subscribe. It really helps. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be fantastic, guys. Have fantastic time. And I'll see you in the next one. Alright, guys. See you later. Have a great one. Bye. Warp out. Whoop.